Welcome Black. You see me I say a critical thinking 876. Don't know it's a podcast, not a podcast. Now see smoke it to the car dog not 200, but him there with you in a spirit. Well yeah man. What you got other people? Big man thing. Me not like headlines. Whole heap of country me a pray. Whole heap of country me a pray send whole heap of money to it. And people are ball. Zane, internet a cut off. Zane, man barrel a get robbed. You see me artists a complain whether they do for them country or not do for them country. 9 parish get right off as unaffected parishes. We not even hear about we yet in our plan. 150 million are coming just fly up so abracadabra. You see me I say a whole heap of things are going. You see me? So right now as we are speak to you, we not on the internet. So we get no clip in the one we're not so sure. You see me? But we have to go on because the work must go on. You see what I say? Yeah. But you don't know. Where there, man?
Yeah, me I say people respect saying earthquake gone. No, earthquake not gone. Earthquake are forward next. So that me do I say. But you might need low. Saying? Yeah, man. What me I say is saying, you wait ask look a while. We need to remember as Jamaicans say, if them politicians are not get US dollars for thief, they go thief away. So just tell ourselves say we're good for this year. See it? Cause bro got pocket full. When I look government member them pocket full. After this we're gonna hear say couple of them gone a foreign Dubai and them place there.
Yeah.
And spend some of their money there.
I'm a permanent resident in
Give thanks.
country now.
Man better give thanks. Hey, give thanks. PGA take come on here and go and find go live.
Mm-hmm.
Last time here so they want PGA to come here. The amount of money them have to pay to get him here.
We have to pay to get him here.
And then pay for your hotel and everything. Give thanks every politician a thief.
When you saying could stay in our Airbnb?
No.
Hotel. Alright, so yeah, we're going now. Boy, every day since of late, Zine, I'm not gonna tell you now. Every day when I turn on my phone, because I go say turn on my news, but the reality of it is, I just like what your boss said. Zine, hey, they have to take somebody money, they have to take somebody money or a phone and go get take. So here we go.
No, listen, I'm not too follow me with the vote. So in that hear me I say about bro God now?
Yo, me choose
Me
Jamaica.
no vote.
So when me say earthquake in our system, you hear me and say, cause what you know, nobody feel like such a come up person for bono. Let me just address that real quick. Then we are deal with the country, we are beat them bad still. We are paint one wicked image, as a vloggers them and the podcast or them and the content creators. Right now, anybody was supposed to look in for Jamaica from after phone reporting, supposed to look for Jamaica as parliament have how much seat? Well, I don't know, I say a 25, 30, 35, 40. 45 Jankro in there. That's how Uno make it world look on Jamaica right now. Tone it down a little bit. Just a little bit. Talk on the facts. But you don't know. Remind the world so we know say for them politicians them worse than few one. I just show we are going through a crisis now and they in the camera. But on to that.
They was not few now.
Eh?
They was not few now.
What's that for it? Look over someone. You buy it, you get the money tax. You learn the money tax. You get back the money tax. Dog. Yeah.
Why difference out there, so?
Out there, so?
Yeah.
Who pay tax out there, so? You rich people live up on Arbrook.
Who not pay tax? If you go for a loan, you get tax.
Who pay tax out there, so?
If you go for a loan, you get tax.
Which tax you pay? GCT?
Then you have to pay tax.
Power.
You worse than for them tax.
Power.
You know worse than for them tax?
No, sir, nothing can worse than for them tax.
Why not?
Dude, can't worse than for them tax, Bridget. For them
Why
tax.
not?
Eh?
Why
Bro,
not?
me say my mother I get this like my mother work 2 jobs and this like about I say she have paid too much money. She have work too much money charging. You see me I say and tax are excessively fee.
Yes, in America,
Yeah.
you can literally make too much money, yes. But
Yeah.
this one me I say no.
Uh-huh.
See? You see cost of living there, so better feel why.
The cost of living
Yeah.
better than where?
So
Where?
in America.
When they can't
To buy food.
To buy food?
Yeah. Better feel
What you say?
Better feel
When?
What do you mean
Back
when?
then?
What do you mean when?
I don't know, brother. I don't know.
Not talking about going to fast food or thing in
Not
that.
talking about going to fast food. Dog, you know your people them want to have a crisis. Hey, got for how
No,
much
me not talk
thousand?
about, me not talk about you want something
I know one something, bro. And them
now, bro.
highlight Eggy most to
Me
show
not,
you say a
Bridget,
little sitting.
you have $1 store in Jamaica. You have a store you can go to Jamaica and get things you all want.
Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? So you never got on? You
Listen,
never
listen.
got on? You know, bit dog. When me have a pulse in 2015, you have store where you can go take up things, the bills, shirt, pants, it don't really matter. A ton.
Yo, listen to me I say. No matter how you are going to make it look and make it seems to me. You see, American economy better than ours. And you see, what I mean thing is, we are pay consumption tax. I mean, I tell you, say, when we start pay the right taxes, like what America pay, the government we can lower the consumption tax.
Jamaica, we are thief light, we are thief land, we are thief water. We are get wet. Me not the bed, me not the power him the power.
No, because no, them the thing they know. Them the thing they know. And no part them the thing they are illegal activity in our society, fam.
Yeah, and
if you all we fear do the right thing, you get me I say,
yeah,
it make we economy better. The American them do their thing, they them pay them bills. Cause if you don't pay your bills, you're going to go out the door.
Henceforth, them economy seems like it better, right? Yet still you have one whole thing that have one whole state of homeless people.
You know, feel some money is for, you know, feel some money is for own things, you know, America, yeah.
For own, what
yeah.
You mean?
For own things in America, yeah.
Really
like to go buy a vehicle.
Yeah.
You know, feel say easy in America, yeah. Virgin, forget a bank account in America easier than here, you know. As some hoops you have to jump through to get bank account at Jamaica, you know.
I understand the part there, you know. When you see, even when they say own, me still not feel like they own it. Like, oh, me and you have this in our yard, yeah, so. Like how we have a wagon and a escort down there, so right now. Zine, for
so you can own it same way.
They can own it like that.
Yeah, without, you mean without taking out the lease money. Yeah, of course, man.
Alright.
I may say it easier.
Knowledge is for. I'll find out. So people, Zane.
No, people will lease them vehicle different enough and people go buy them vehicle cash, you know. So the man when I buy them thing them like all them he said better than we say we have them money. I go buy them sing the what they call it Lamborghini and them shit there. Them people not really lease them thing, they buy it cash.
Yeah.
So you can go back fee go take up a Parish.
Yeah.
I feel them then can park in a them garage for how long and them have a license and show if you get it back on the road.
Alright. Just believe the America system fucked. Zane, England system fucked.
Bro, look at man.
Why me say that?
It look fucked and me not say no fucked.
No, why me say that?
Say no fucked.
You see them codes.
Because yeah, me never live in America yet.
America and Britain have the longest tax code. Them
Alright. Listen what me can say.
The longest tax code. I mean pages upon pages. Motherfucking books.
Listen what me can say American system get fucked. The same thing we talk about a while. I feel like any system, any government system, to incentivize the person to work harder. You see in America, like what you say your mother go through, we hear that over and over, the American complain about that. We are work harder and make more money, but the government tax you more. So eventually it's best if you just work under the limit. So alright, you make it one video for the use in a way. It's in the video now. Matrix video now. Where Umbria say he make 250,000 a year. In goal is to spend half of that. And you know why that time goal? To use it on private jet. All I luxury thing them me happy. Body's cologne. Everything make me happy. Use it upon that. Because the moment you keep in your bank book, you pay more tax money. And let me show you. You see a system we still like that. You get fucked. You had a system them when I get fucked, I want to Dubai. We not do that. Dubai not tax people them like that. If you have your money in your bank book, Dubai consider self fear that. This is when you go use you may pay one small little minute tax.
A government tax, the entire like consumption tax.
Exactly. So what you know, we can say system fucking in that case. But then citizens have better dog. The citizens have better choices than we, bro.
Alright.
Have better options. What you talk about, man?
Me just hear somebody in a comment already. Or 2 or 3 are saying you think of better roses.
Me not saying it is better roses, but they not comparing it to Jamaica.
We don't have a system, so I understand exactly what you're saying. The fact of it is this. Then, alright. People even don't want to hear me I say, no. I say, the people them still a fight for land. the people them still no live nowhere, no structure still no really are built well. Me no see structure built up, you know, but what you know, me sure me see people are bad, and I news I carry that. You see me I say, and people that tell them story on social media, although we know them they can be lie, but make we use the news now, which can be lie too. But make we use the news now, cause I hate everybody use. Alright, boop so people are bad, bro. Still homeless, still not a shelter, still hungry. I walk with them belongings in a scandal bag charge. Zane, watch you now, no. Me not go pretend, no. Cause me would say, yo, it's fear thing for do, right? Cause Jamaica resilient. Jamaicans resilient. We go build back with shit. We self, alright? We not wait for government.
True.
So watch you know, if like when my dog say, we could have this big thing like a GoFundMe where they put the whole of money in a Zane, and we use with TRN then, or with birth certificate number, and you release a portion to it. So what
I say with NIS, you know the reason why I say NIS? Easy is one for anybody get.
You know,
so, yeah, you see, so you see even through storm right now, you lose the documents them. You can go back up a place and pay.
I think you can get a TRN from your youth.
No,
NIS you have to get
listen,
when
you
you're 18. Which one of them, man? One of them have one limit on you. I think your NIS you get when you're 18. So all the youth them when you are the parents them then, see?
Because the parents how they youth them go
with
to
a
get
file, with a file
fee. But me I say, why me say NIS? If you lose everything, you can go up a place and then you wouldn't have wait for the physical NIS and they give you back the number.
A TRN that.
A
I can
TRN
tell
that.
you say a TRN, man. A TRN you mix up. Or you go up a tax office and then give back your land
And then
paper
give you
with
number with
the
the
number.
number.
A TRN, man.
Well, when me know
NIS when you're 18.
Well, me know it's one of them. See, one of them were easy to get like that.
That's why I say
and that's what I use. But you
But
know.
to you this a birth certificate and that's still legit. So me now.
Yeah, but that's hard to forget.
Yeah, but watch you know, people. Back to the point. Use the money. Use the TRN, zine. So create this GoFundMe like thing. I don't know what they call it, zine. It's like a pool, zine, and you use your TRN or your birth certificate number, get your portion. Alright, watch you now.
A pool I go count off. The pool I go count off basically with census. The amount of people up on the island. So the amount of people alive on the island, and so the money I go divide by the system, not by a human being. So the money I go calculate out the money. The system I calculate out the money and say, alright, watch you know, we have like say 5,000 we can share.
Yeah.
You hold back 5,000 till more donations come in or whatever.
Aye.
But every time it come in we can share, each account get $1 because it can split up. So each account. Yeah.
Alright, cause here we go on now. Zine, me a say no. I forgot what me I said. It is a system, Zine. But yeah, dad. It TRN access the money, donation. But here we go on. How if we make it fear me did that pray? Cause according to them, Clarendon, St. Catherine, give it to other unaffected parish now. Cause I only Westmoreland, Hanover, and then remember Hanover, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. Elizabeth, and Chilani, and St. Anne them at talk about. So the rest away, unaffected. You see me? Have minor damages. Then we are feeling most. We can tell them that people. You see me? I say, you see people them when not get the help where people them send over there, them are feeling more than we. So we are feeling we are feeling second most.
We have one St. Vincent.
St. Vincent. If we in a Caribbean.
One parish.
You're mad? Which 15
we
parish?
We used to have that. We used to have St. Vincent. We used to have.
No, we have about 18 or 20 parish. Miss the map, man. Miss the map. We used to have about 18 or 20 parish.
But
already split up. Veer itself. Tapping eyes. Somebody tell me that.
No,
tell me that already when me and boy said Veer was a parish.
You know where, remember? It's one video there, one youth, like he said, the balloon challenger, one of them type of settings there.
Yeah.
But them a try to determine why Jamaican. And I ask the girl one parish. And the girl says St. Vincent.
And I laugh after.
Yeah. And I say, kill me dead. Me know say she not wrong in that. I tell myself, say, yo, you know, say, I swear we did have one parish like that. I swear, dog.
So, back to it now, Zane. We unaffected parishes. I gotta tell you why we unaffected. So I don't want to hear we in Melissa territory them and I feel like, oh, them bad mind boy you come from. No. I'm going to break it down, but let me just finish this point. You see? The unaffected parishes them. You see the people them in that part there where the census, the pool, make we get 60% of money.
No, 60% too much.
Eh?
60, listen.
60% too much.
Hold on, listen.
No, hold on, listen. You not feel like you understand what I'm going to say.
I understand what you're going to say.
Mm-hmm.
But me feel I could have a better idea.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Mm-hmm.
You see, money we donated to the country.
Mm-hmm.
You see, them people,
Mm-hmm.
when in an affected country, it go kind of harder though. And them people, if you have the first choice, we can get the money.
Listen, man, I know you need to get to be outside now. Because I think about this last night for real, no, I really want people to consider
because
this.
Because them first to get help, dog, and them deserve help.
Make it people in the unaffected parishes by the census get 60% of whatever money them should get when the computer do the maths. You see, other 40% send it back over there so in a pool with the affected parishes.
Mm-hmm.
You see what I say? So we still help them. You get what I say?
Yeah, and make a choice on the system too as well, say.
Yeah.
If you're not affected, you have Jamaicans who are going to still take it, you know. But me tell you, say you have a lot when now go take it out. We're going to just call it for them way of contributing.
Yeah.
We're still say you want to forward it back to the next people.
Simple as that, put up the option there, see? Yeah. It's unfair, right? Boy, I know mechanics side not just go so but
why me there free that from what day?
Saying
Me I chat about you already and me and short more there, me I chat about you there. I say that.
You see that my friend? The money I link all Ian boy and now big you them man, I tell you.
Man boy.
One more class.
Yeah, me say saying.
Where you say?
Yes, the government I go create a lot of loopholes. Just like when I talk about the bank account. You see, them I go right and like quiet now. By saying, you know, if they, for example, do like we spice them do a matica, just get some whole heap of truck and go down there with ply, couple black and whole heap of cement and whatever and give people them. It's like them will contribute to more capture land.
They might put themselves in a last. Let me finish.
No, some people when never
put
have land.
In a last suit
some people when never have land, I go just take some piece of land now, you know.
Because that is when me do finish a story.
So me I say it's true because they know that. You know what them go want come with? Say, just like forget the government house. But them say you have to prove say you own a piece of land. You have to prove say put one foundation upon it or some shit. Them go tell you some bag of things to go through dog. You see, I go through all of them things there. And that's why I see some video with the people them say. Stop sending food. I know it will seem ungrateful, you know. But I'm not ungrateful, you know. If the people them think about it. If you're in America and somebody come and help you on the roadside because you're homeless, right? And there's somebody a give you supermarket to the food. Look more down in the night, you still go upset. You know where to sleep. Everybody needs somewhere for their head. Most likely some family have picked me and things.
Alright.
So when the people must say that, then they will sound ungrateful, but that's true government not the right thing. Our government should have substitutes right. You know they don't want food. All they want are structures.
So you want we want that.
So you want
we don't want pity. We want structure. That's all we want.
I hear what I think now. You see if exactly this is what me, you know. And drug eventually up in government minister them. And them I got all of them rally through community them with them popular and build one house for this money away. They know you know so this money have one big house over so I decked up already, you know.
But him carrying 50
he own that piece of land for true. And true he look for as respected in our community and he lose our folk or something. But just I go give him something. So if people them we go get into this dog and if people them really need it.
Alright. That's true. Zane, I mean I say we know that our system. We know that from day one. Zane. So at this point, when we know that and it still happen and we still disorganized at this point, it only lead the people them, Mr. Allness. Because me hear you on TikTok, hear you. Me see one clip with you upon the TikTok video there, but me see say Jamaica house in the day or something like that. But me hear you say, you're not afraid of who respond him. Because you say criticize. But them afraid when me want you respond, because I want to know what takes so long, brethren. We want you respond. Zane, give up, boy, you're not afraid. Zane, we're not afraid neither, bro.
Because
like yo, are you me vote for? Me don't know this a new man and what you send down a Clarendon. Zane, I can be gone. Are you me vote for? if you want next term so I can rich
No,
like
you never
Uno.
vote for him. That's why I'm telling you, voting system fuck.
Eh?
I hear me now. You never vote for him.
Me in
You
a
vote for
spirit.
Newman.
In a spirit,
You
I
vote for
Andrew
him.
vote
And
for.
here we are.
In a ink?
And listen why I say vote with system fuck, you know.
Mhm.
As where you say look why you don't know the Newman, you know.
Mhm.
I'm ask a question now, see?
Yeah.
Election pass and you vote for him and he win, don't it?
Yeah.
And I run and Satan vote for him. And look how long his time gone. You know him all now?
Oh, yeah, man, in circle, man, but me not see him. Me not sit there. Me not go to him. Nah, me not give a fuck about politics over there, so me not go to him. But he pass around, man.
And top of
Me don't know when do me in pass. Somebody I say yo a roaster that come in make we say and me just turn over me yard because you don't know we not really busy.
Alright, you know what me I try get to?
Yeah, me know where you get to, man. The minister them not do nothing now.
No, that me I get to, man. Me I get to. Me know they not do nothing. You will know they not do nothing.
No,
me I get
but
to a
this
point.
man when me just vote for, when me just go give me vote. He not even recognize with place yet. No recognize
and
with
no
people.
recognize the place now with people. Like me I try say, look here, no man. In our voting system we have, you don't have no talk. So you could have vote or no vote really. You see your outcome where you go do. Look here, you see outcome where you go do.
Me not go back down the conversation there with you.
No, me not go down in conversation. Me give my point. Look here, no, you see vote where you go do. Eh? You say help and Joelness, so him you vote for, don't it?
Yeah.
And I say you never really vote for him. You're voting one brother right now. We are lying for him pocket too.
Yeah.
And I say, look here now, you see me vote for all the brother right now. And me see what go on like I'll say my community mash up like no one sent it. And see what go on. You know what the next thing that been in my head say? Same time I pass on ya. We fling one big stone in the vehicle and pray for him in my forehead. And then me go in a jail or some shit. Because I'm my only action that.
Yeah.
Me no have one other action, me no have one recourse.
Yeah.
To say, yo, you know, say one day if we can go to parliament and group up and sitting and then you will listen to me. If you even go down there, go group up.
We can do that, man.
You can do that, of course.
That.
Of course you can do that. But I say if you even go down there, go group up, you ain't gonna change anything. I will island a protest. I will island a protest right now.
But they not do it through right channels. They just a protest and them and a like you know when the mother tell you something and you're going go wash up your plate and you mumble to us. No.
You know me, everybody I criticize the man for. Tell me everybody I criticize the man for.
Mumble. When they protest.
I'm tell me everybody I criticize the man for. I don't see it as I say. Yeah. So I say me not like reason about them thing.
What the generator business?
Say about the generator. Same say.
Well, let me finish. Well, no make we go so far, man. Let me just finish the point. Give we back with money from the GoFundMe. $150 million come in. What year? We unknown. We pay for nothing. It's just spooky. Spooky. I do want separate video on that because I don't want to flag this video.
$150 million come in.
US. Yeah, man. From the World Bank. It's not a loan. We not have to pay it back. It may come to say do hurricane, but it was in a hurricane relief or storm season or disaster preparation season thing. But it wasn't specifically to say, yo, use the over there 5 parish there. A leadership decide how you use. You understand? And it's free. It come like you pay a premium per one car, so you pay one little money. Jamaica pay one little money. So even if we don't have a client with a boss, so we want more money. And you tell us we need pay.
So yeah, the small money coming now. We politician them soon drive Bentley.
Charge it.
Bentley we politician them.
If politician them no I mean not see one right now we spend a money out of them pocket, out of them fat 9 million, 8 million, $7 million salary all no. They know that should have first money group up since all PNP PNP play one sad story. I play strings where you have to look a violin and hear that PNP depend every time they go up on the camera. And what you know?
I mean, you say my chat, the man, one of them chat boy helicopter. I mean, I say, brother, you know, go link American them. American them, you have to link, I me know. They say Jamaican them, say, helicopter can land at some part.
Yeah.
I mean, see them, a blood clot American, you man, a land helicopter right near one light wire that they want.
It a prepare landing.
Yo, I mean, I say, yo, no. You have to tell me, say, them man are afraid. He just catch you light wire and all fuck up the whole thing.
Afraid.
Yo, a man, them land helicopter them anyway. After with them, at least with a chat about them long
time. Plan it, man. But man, I'm ready for this one. Different country, dog. So what kind of people make we get back with money? Zine. As I say,
That not feel with that.
one separate video, eh?
That not feel with.
No, me know. Me I say make.
That a any party in
Me
a
I say
power.
make people get the money. Then Zane.
PNP next right now, you fuck.
That is why. Yes, me. Nah, me never.
Say
No,
start
never.
up
Me
in a
could
jail
go
plea in
political.
a
I
power.
want one different video for that. I tell you, them flag. Yo, them flag will last video. If you not go look on the picture, me know them flag will last video. But what you know? So me I try to keep the one different. No, next video me give one of that then. Then can flag you as long as you don't want to hear
Hey,
you.
listen to people. You see how me read this, you know. Anything they don't want saying it eventually I'm going to cut out in a post. Or put in a
No, me say in a post it. No,
Yeah,
not too much work. Bro, me say bro, watch out about here me I say no. Zine, give me back your money. As you say, we don't want pity. We want structure. So watch out now. Back to your point. Back to your point.
Some before you go to my point, remember it. You are ball ball give back your money when you cost bolt for the I say bolt never get back your money, you get back for you.
No bolt.
You hold on. Who is you to bolt?
Me a 6'6".
Me I need never say you
me
are like
a 6'6" and black and
yes,
ugly.
so who is you to bolt?
Bolt 6'6" and black and ugly.
And
rich.
okay.
I'm fast as fuck.
Kind of only rich, hey, the only rich, you know, but which I mean to pick it up. The only rich. And the only rich,
you believe in yourself, you what?
Hey,
after they no more than
brother, remember say when they talk about Bob Marley, now they talk about Bolt, you know? Do you know?
Man.
And the youth reach no age yet, you know? He nah dead yet, you know?
That's true, man.
And since Bob Marley dead, he fully popular, so
we
you know?
not even hear about Donald Quarry. Donald who?
Eh?
And I mean our textbook.
Jesus God. Hey, listen me.
We are dealing with man.
He's not dead yet. I tell you.
We are dealing man. Alright, so what you know?
So listen me and say you don't deserve to get no money back.
Alright. We never put it down there neither. So that I first thing them I gonna tell with it. My fellow Jamaicans, this was a loan given to us from the kind-heartedness of Ray. Now let me tell you. Let me tell you now. 44% of people anyway. The loan come from America. 40% come from Europe. 16% come from Bermuda. You remember the boy where did I say remember Bermuda? Make sure say him remember Bermuda. On the tag him when you see that video. Yeah. And 3%, 4%/3% come from Asia, Australia. Then kind-heartedness of the art. And this was so specific. You know what I mean? It had to be a hurricane. It had to be a disaster where the place actually mash up this money release. It was so specific. Zin,
earthquake or anything like that.
Yeah.
Which is next.
Yes, me. Listen me now. We don't want pity, we want structure. Give me the money now. Now the fund thing that we talk about and make we go build back. But here where problem come with build back. When my brother say no, government got aid in a capture land business. Zin, you have some people who have 150 acres in the valley and 150 acres in the road. Yeah, them people there who don't have art. You want 150 people, some of them acre they want just a wall because you know a wall till crack. You not even a wall no more on a great grandfather they give you know. Dog, and that a problem over on the side of the island there, you know, bro. It mixed with the capture land. How no development have to start?
Poor people, you know what they say? Poor people, reason poor, you know. Another joke. Because look why I say that. You just look for me of my 100 acre land. I look for you for one video. If you want boy, hold on, listen me. All along me they have plan to go plant up my land with also whole heap of coconut trees. And this boy I can tell me
people not plan for that. They not have a plan for land except breed the girl and make sure me get one youth for this carry on. Live to see me grand pitney and was it a carry on.
Exactly. Yeah.
Let me tell you the people now have to learn. Sauce in a game. Jay-Z say me bought some artwork for 1 million. 2 years later, that worth 3 million. Few years later, that worth 8 million. The man eventually said me can't wait to give to my children.
Okay,
you know how much it will work then?
I'm say it a better way, saying hurricane pass over there and tear fall down on them part the way I talk about, saying and all them people lose them thing. You see, man, we have 100 acre land when you lose.
No.
I could have gain one river for one of them blood clot land. One river could have start one tree land.
I'm more value that.
That's right, tell you.
More value.
So a man like that now go think about we are talk about give.
No. But me just I said, them their problem where government
I
are
go,
face.
listen me man, listen what me say.
Where government are going to
Me I say
kick them
from
people
day
there
one.
land.
No, you know, listen me I say from day one in our first set of video them.
Mm-hmm.
The government,
Mm-hmm.
if you do like what them are do with it, say those interesting, but no, you relax it.
Mm-hmm.
You go give the people them the fucking land.
Mm-hmm.
Expect them to pay for it. You see, if you can't pay for it within a 10 year, 15 year, what we give you,
Mm-hmm.
the land go recycle. We can't go get you.
Something
Look
like
here.
that, me and Joe say.
Then that me I try to tell you, so we can, if you give
So,
them a land.
so in a year sense that fear.
Yeah, give your land.
No, but me say where am I get it from?
What you mean where I get it from?
Where am I get it from? When
The
one
land-
man have 150 acres
Well,
and
well,
not just a
well,
one man.
look, you know, where say where government are get the land from itself.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know say right now, you don't think why government not get the land up our way or compound people them there up there right now.
Yeah.
Actually, because they decide say they not all out.
No man. Listen me, man.
Look here, man, no land at all, dog. Me answer you.
That means the
No,
government
no,
can
me answer.
literally take any
Me answer
land
you.
where they
Well,
want in Jamaica then.
Me answer, me
And
answer.
that you tell me.
Me answer you now. You hear a video we play over there where you can't say where he crown literally
Own we beach them and
he beach them, right?
Yeah.
So listen me now, you see rest of land for the country itself.
Mm-hmm.
Me feel like I just for citizens live. So hear me now.
Mm-hmm.
The government itself, you know,
Mm-hmm.
have eventually get a revenue if he can still get a revenue.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me I say? So you have one man at 150 for two.
Mm-hmm.
But me literally feel say out of everybody we own land for the country,
Mm-hmm.
the government still have a wide majority can give the citizens.
Can give citizens.
Yeah, so it might be prime land, you know, because the man only 150 acre, you know, only prime land. But the government still have land we have feed them. Just like come here tell you, say, you see,
I feel like the government have more land.
Then me not say they have more. But listen what me say now.
feel like
Listen what me say they have now. They still have a wide majority.
Mm-hmm.
They have a wide majority. Alright, so put them at the backside right now, right? But them are do already. Actually, they want to go over in a pump here, you know.
Yeah.
See?
Continue.
Up at them part there.
Mm-hmm.
See? Remember say government have land in them in the part, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Understand me I say? Remember say round you say itself, you know. We dey on the side right now.
Mm-hmm.
A government land, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because the angels say your arms house and rare.
Yeah.
In a community them like most like you yeah, think about like our Mandeville now. See? Government we are one patch.
Mm-hmm.
Hanover, government we are one patch.
Mm-hmm.
Senti, government we are one patch. So you understand me? I say no. By having them patch of land there, they're not using for government land. But if me and you go capture it, we are going to say we can't build panic as a government land. Give the people them that.
I like that. But you know what that sound like?
Yeah.
All the people them where watch this we believe in a smart city theory.
Mm-hmm.
They just said they're supposed to say about dogs, so you know see that they want.
Wow.
Eh?
Forgive people them land.
And that's an excuse, because anyway they build a smart city, anyway they say raising right now, because it living conditions with them and people like dog. Me go through without light for 2 days after hurricane.
Let me say something before you go far.
Yeah.
Because me people chat about the smart city, this and smart
What is
city,
it?
that. What's the problem with it? What is it?
Me really don't know what the fuck the smart city is.
And that brother that me I say, the people must say they want to build a smart city in Jamaica, right? Well, I know. Me ask you this, see, and I'm going to say this now. You know a whole blood clot America most likely is a not America, England. You know it's a smart city right now.
England.
Then brother which part of England you can go and turn up on the camera and find you.
No man, I know so man.
Yo, well I know
so. I can't just camera they want to put up.
No, I mean well I know me not just camera. But when for example a smart city like what you say, you know in America when they have a smart house them where at the doorbell you pull it with you understand me I say?
Alright, well I know. See it ya. See?
Come here, me not see why it's so smart and that. A smart TV.
The term smart city gets thrown around a lot, especially when politicians or investors talk about modernizing Jamaica.
Yeah.
But underneath the buzzwords, it's really about using technology to run cities more efficiently.
Exactly, that's me agree.
Alright, so what you know, smart city in a simple terms, a community of urban areas that use digital technology, sensors, cameras, and data systems to manage everyday things like.
So you know where people afraid of that they know.
Traffic,
shed chip with them a chat about.
Electricity and water,
Yeah.
security with CCTV networks, facial recognition cameras, garbage collection, sensors showing which bins full, government services, online ID system, digital payment. The
Yeah.
goal is officially to make cities more efficient, easier, and eco-friendly. Now listen where the thing is now, because we did know that, but we didn't actually know the whole thing about it. We know the conspiracy about it, but the conspiracy is no conspiracy. And that's it. That's the conspiracy in a plain sight. That's the whole goal.
You know, sir, Jamaicans last top one out 5G.
That's the
And
whole
you know,
goal.
actually, every Jamaican right now I use a 5G
Them
phone.
I remember him sitting there and them so couple Rasta youth they can do a song name 5G one time.
And the man I use 5G phone right now. Because everybody want everybody's iPhone.
So eventually
and smart 5G.
The smart city thing just tying back with all it needs business. What them say digital ID.
Me know the chip. You see chip and that where everybody really afraid. You see that chip there where they say, cause what up me accent date, you know, and me see you accent date, you know, that's why me ask chat GPT, you know. We chat GPT till you say it chip, a BSM. It now gonna be a forced thing. Have to choose it. But eventually how they man make it. But how they man make it, you better have to choose it. You get me I say? And it makes sense because in a smart city, right? If you want to have your identity and your DNA around your system, it's when a crime go on, you will be most likely suspect.
See catch ya, see concerns ya. This is why observation there in an early stage. If you don't run right, Zine, it sound good enough, but if you don't sound right, then if you don't run right, then you can end up push out poor community in a redevelopment zones. Zine, collect and control too much personal data, which is that we're really afraid of mainly. Zine, make everything depend on technology and ID system where you know people them not really so tech savvy already. You see what I say? Meaning, if you're off-grid or unregistered, you get left out, which is the problem for majority
exactly
of them
what I say
people.
right now, like, you can't go to hospital and get help because you're in a system.
But now you go also create a divide between the digital elite them
and the non
and the average Jamaican still a struggle with food and housing and sitting there.
We
so
see that.
It go fuck up
You
place.
know, say we see that in a movie already.
That is the.
I got to tell you when I movie.
Where was it?
No, wait, brother.
With time.
Time, my hand.
Bro, me can't wait for we do my Matrix Part 3. People, me say this morning, me sit down and me look on them. I say, yo, all them people are skilled so. Zine, in about 1600s, this or 1800s or so, we here said, then start deal with running water, right? The people them find a way to start sell with water. If free, you know.
Well, I want to me and my chat about him, I tell him that, you know, say, yo, time to come. I mean, I tell him, say, if I'm a millionaire, why not?
What time
but
I'm a millionaire.
I bet say people are going to have problem with
water. It
cut
down quicker. Well, let me show you how it cut down quicker.
Water will be people's main problem.
It could be, bro, watch on a man.
You know, don't have Egypt on them place, you know what people them do?
What?
The people them up the stream, you know what they do? Use a build dam and a block the Nile. So you see people them with their way down the line, start get less water. And you can tell them, say, feed them land, them a block the Nile, you know. You get what I say? Sure. So, Uno does get less water, Uno can farm and sing again like Uno used to do, you know. And that river, everybody depend on.
Let me show you why things not take fast. Zine, I mean, I run a joke yes already. Say, yo, watch you, we not pay for here. Zine, we still have to pay for it. Let me show you why I'm sure that relative the Zine.
It's really about get less.
If 16 in the 1600s, then discover how to sell with water. Zine. Till now, everybody have a water.
No, but we are pay for here already, motherfucker. If we have go buy him solid oxygen. Right. People we have like lung cancer.
Yeah.
Where them have to go hospital go buy.
No man, that you don't have pay for here, man. You have pay for science. We can understand that. You see me? It's like you know.
Well, it kind of makes sense.
Yeah, it's like you know pay the plumber for fix it.
Because
it blow.
If you ain't go fuck up your lungs, you're alright.
Yeah.
You understand?
And that's like what I have this like I said. You don't pay plumber for plumb. You pay him for know where for plumb.
Yeah, man.
That's for me. Yeah, that's the science behind it. But what you not charge it? Zine, if people them forward now. Couple years later in the 2000s or probably a little earlier, I'll find one way for a charge with for sun and call it solar. Dog. We get freaking up in this world, yeah?
No, me say I tell someone about it, I say, yo,
bro, I'm
that me feel say go up, dog.
We get freaking out the world, yeah.
In the future, saying
me understand why people
are going to have problem with as simple as water. When I talk about like now in a way, like how people have problem with water, you know. Me I talk about like all just get water itself. So people have some place can't get water because they don't have a pipe or you know me I say. But they can still go get water at some part. Me I talk like everybody man.
Dog, we are the
But I
problem.
main resource so we are gonna fight over water.
And watch out, cause they can lock you.
Hmm?
Everything where we are get pan up, they
This
can
man
lock
say,
you.
this man I say we are
Anytime they
gonna
decide so they go control
this
you and we
man I
not
say we are
listen, they
gonna turn
lock
to
you.
EC.
Money ATM they lock you.
The man say we are gonna turn to EC.
We are
And
turn
me,
TC.
yeah, and me I say to him say right.
I got see man out there
Well, I
and
know.
yard that man.
We are gonna turn to EC, yes, but he can't done. He can't done.
Why you see?
Yeah, he cannot done.
Sure.
Cause we are gonna turn to EC and I will pour water out there if we drink or whatever. You
Oh
get
yeah,
what I say?
see, I don't we are telling now, you're not pay for blood plate water, you pay for science behind the water. It's science to make it salt come out of that shit and you get good clean water to drink. It's all that. That's what we're paying for. The science behind it. But bro, may I tell you see if it could have worked so everybody get one lot would have built up back a long time. So right now with this where them a push, where people are suffering and so much money are coming in that it only make it smart city thing look like more your agenda for real. You get what me I say? Because if as me say 2 days we do without the blows it now. When me look at me youth them like that, I want ball, bro. You see what me I say?
Yo,
so when them people up here so go through right now, if they get one better option, them a take it for little and nothing ready.
You know all of them things right now I just want reshuffle and name. Because I same thing Bill Gates them pre all the while. And that's why them get classified as the rich people who want to see world boom. Because the new world order about the same type of thing them.
Exactly.
You're telling me the people them eventually.
Give me the one liner. Give me the one liner. Give me the one liner. Cause if you never said that, more remember. The new world order to see people. And I see you said so look while like a chip you ever go back to say in your hand. The Rasta man, them my greatest. Junior gang say, get tricked by the beast. But I won't know I go run when the monster is full grown. When they think I'm a literal beast, a European them, I swear for my life that the man they attack. Because when they on this side and get tricked now, see all of them are same thing you fulfill. Zine, won't I go run gun now when the beast full grown. I don't want to go back over Africa though.
Yo, England the one I mean.
Oh no boy.
England did one I mean tentacles of the beast, right? And I see England left out the European Union. Remember the woman did that.
King. The king. Kick him out a new world order.
No, there she left. She left. Because the reason why me believe said they left is like them now get the benefit where the rest of European. I must say England itself was a superpower even back then that them used to go take with people and place in a brother. You get me? I say so they still have him. I say that control like in a Jamaica you same way. You understand?
Yeah.
Well, so people, I think when she left, he money did drop for a while and then he just blast up back.
She go do something. She go put in some work, man.
Then me not tell you, man.
Yeah, man.
Fuck you, boy.
People have message still. What are they?
Yeah, listen, man. You see, full government them, I just this no believe. Say full government them, no matter which one of them we get. I'll couple decades after this when we get new government, eh? All of them just gonna be the said motherfucker. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Beast, man. Yo, you man, son. Who kind of go? And off topic neither, and off topic them about that kind of twist up. You see me and say so some things we don't get to touch. But yeah, we go on. Our next video, as I say, we're on the internet, so we even know we not get this a piece, but stay safe, man. And the internet would have a part of the trick too, cause you know you have to trick your friend to trick your enemy. And we are Jamaica friend right now.